Here's my stack. I'm getting out of here for less than 40 bucks, including my supplies. So I'll go through these tonight, put them all in top loaders and stuff. Give me something to do at the hotel. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna say see you guys in a while. I'm talking to my camera, just so you know. But thanks for your help.
Oh, of course.
All right, everybody. Hey, I'm settled into the hotel room. I had some food, got some snacks, got some drinks, got the Olympics on, and most importantly, I'm about to take this mess and get it filed into these nice, neat boxes that I picked up today. Speaking of pickups, I got pickups like Hiccups, man, right here, and we're going to go through these in a minute. All Yankees cards, all good stuff that I'm looking forward to, so I'll get back to you in a minute once I get some of these sorted and sleeved, and going to incorporate it into this, which will actually go into there. So just looking forward to getting rid of this mess right here. Cigar boxes and every other kind of box known to man. So I'll be right back. Alright, and here's the cards, everybody. I'm going to start with my favorite pickup of the day. Catfish Hunter. Great picture from my childhood. You know, probably him and Reggie Jackson are probably two of my favorite all-time Yankees that played in my lifetime. Babe Ruth is my favorite player of all time, and then probably followed by Lou Gehrig as far as Yankees. But you know, as far as guys that played in my life, Catfish Hunter. I got a lot of Don Mattingly here. I'm going to scan the cards, and I might stop on some things, but I'm not going to go through every one of them in the interest of keeping this short. But here's some stuff from before my time, some players from the 50s. Unfortunately, somebody wrote on this card, this Jerry Coleman, but you know, I got most of these cards for like a quarter, a dime, some of them. John Blanchard, Yankees catcher. I like these Sporting News. There was a series of black and white throwbacks from the 70s with some vintage players that I used to have as a kid. I didn't see any of those particular cards. I'm still looking to pick those up. I hate to point out all the flaws, but somebody put a thumbtack through this Elston Howard and hung it up. But another player from the 50s. You know, and I'm not sure when these cards were printed, were manufactured. If somebody wants to help me out and tell me if those are actually from the 50s, I don't think they're that old. I think those are maybe from the 60s and 70s. I'm thinking the Sporting News cards are. Anyway, some other kind of, you know, not the greatest condition. The corners are pretty beat, and then, you know, some loss of you know, ink around the black edges on these two cards here. But these 86s aren't in bad shape, and I love this set. Like I said a lot of times, I dig this you know, the iconic black border. Some great players there: Willie Randolph, Dave Winfield, Ricky Henderson. I got a lot of some Willie Randolph, a lot of Don Mattingly. Another favorite of mine, Ken Griffey, Sr. Deion Sanders, more Willie Randolph. Here's a Danny Tartabull. I've got a few decent cards of his lately, and I'm digging this hologram. You know, that thing's just super nice. Another one of my favorites, another Tartabull. This Sports Illustrated card, I think I actually paid $1 for that one. Tino Martinez. Check out this groovy Tino Martinez. It's like one of those trippy posters from the late 60s. Let's get these in the shot here. This thing this was amazing. I thought this was going to be a couple bucks. I think I paid 15 cents or a quarter. It's a sticker. Got that cool graphic on the back. The Yankees pennant there, stickers. This is an unusual pickup here. Hadn't seen one like that before. I'm knocking stuff over here. It's all right. This is a pretty cool one for maybe $1. Chuck Knoblaw. Hope this is focusing. I have not. I'm going to put these in top loaders, most of them, even though they're not in the greatest condition, just so they don't get any worse. Let's see what else we got. Araboo, I remember this guy. He played up until about 2010, and I think, if I remember, he sadly committed suicide. Had some run-ins with the law. That's a really cool-looking rainbow, whatever you would call that. It's not a refractor, but a rainbow, maybe you'd call that a refractor. Whatever you call that, it's neat. It's looking really nice. But this guy, I believe, died in like 2000, I want to say 12 maybe, a few years ago. Had a drinking problem, as I recall, maybe some problems with the law, unfortunately. Let's scan the rest of these. Andy Pettit. Jorge Posada, a couple of him. This is like more of these sporting news edition. There's a, I don't know what you'd call this kind of card. Is that I think it is a hologram. It's hard to see through the penny sleeve, but I think it's got a hologram. Look at that, it was a quarter. Can you see that? CC Sabathia, one of my favorite current day Yankees. That's a smaller card, a miniature card. I hate to keep pointing out the flaws. Unfortunately, it looks like somebody took a bite out of the lower corner of it. So I think I picked it up for $0.10. But it's 2013, maybe. Sabathia. This is Allen and Ginter from a couple years ago. Mariano Rivera. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that's about it. I think I showed you everything here that I picked up. I think I counted 49 or 50 cards, and I think they were about $20 for the whole lot. So other than that, I got the boxes. I'm going to file these in. I picked this up today for $1, not at a card shop. I believe that New York City logo is based on my dad's design of the old New Jersey Nets logo. The color scheme is the same, and it's at least similar, and it cost me $1. I got something I want to iron that on. So anyway, I'm going to get to top loading these things and organizing cards. I'll see how much of this junk I can get in these new boxes. And that's it. I am going to say good night and thanks for tuning in. God bless everybody. Hope you're having a good day.